In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we just can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online like this one. What a great review! We're always thrilled to hear about a happy customer's experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star, top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.